What are the benefits of eco-friendly packaging for small businesses? You may need to think about using eco-friendly packaging for your products. It may be difficult to get started, but it's worth it. Thankfully, there are several ways to go about doing this. Recycling is a great way to protect the environment and save energy. It's also a great way to save money and resources. In this video, we will discuss eco-friendly packaging. Many companies now promote their products as being environmentally friendly. You must consider how your purchasing decisions may affect the environment when buying products. For example, do you think that buying paper towels that were harvested from trees is a good idea? Do you think that the process of manufacturing the paper into a package takes up a lot of energy? Some businesses are now offering eco-friendly packaging for their products. This will help them save the planet by using less resources. It is a good idea to ask your business if they have eco-friendly packaging. This way, you can be sure that they are not using virgin paper and will be able to help save the environment. Using recycled paper in your business is a great way to help the environment. You can find a huge variety of recycled paper in your local office supply store. These recycled papers are much better than regular paper and are more environmentally friendly. Biodegradable materials are made from natural and organic materials. They break down over time into natural organic matter. The most common biodegradable materials are corn, wheat, soy, or other agricultural products. Plastic wrap is used for food packaging. It is important to make sure it is made of a type of plastic that is biodegradable. You will also find that food is wrapped in paper, which at times is not biodegradable. Almost all types of paper are biodegradable. This is because the paper is made from wood pulp, which is biodegradable. Unfortunately, paper products like plates and cups are lined with plastic, making them unbiodegradable. If you are a small business, then you are bound to make use of packaging. There are a lot of different ways to do this, and it is not difficult to implement. The more eco-friendly your packaging, the better.